Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. There are three small squares in a big square and there are three smaller squares in every small square. How many total squares are there in all? So let's see. There is one big square. So that means the number right now is 1. There are three small squares in this one big square. So three small squares. So that means now the number has become 3 plus 1, that is 4. There are there are three smaller squares in every small square. So we can say that three smaller squares in every small square means 3 into 3 equal to 9 total squares. So now the number has become 9 plus 3 plus 1. So we can say total number of squares equal to 9 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 13. So we can say answer is option D.